Boom! So my side, welcome back to part 2 of the video with them boys, with the police, them bring a dog, them got jail and thing, you see me? So this is part 2 for the video. So if you want to reach us, so like, share, subscribe, all of that good shit, bro. Bring me got 1k subscriber. Run it up, bro. You don't know his style. You know what I mean? I like with them bag of music can play, be a copyright, but the only good thing is, I don't really mind right now. Jaja, bro.
Morning. For the purpose of this exercise, right? What I want you to do,
Yes, sir.
I want you to hear the volume that I'm speaking to you with.
Yes, sir.
That is the scene where I want you to answer my questions, eh?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to ask you a series of questions and I want your honest answer.
Yes, sir.
When I feel that you're lying to me, we are going to stop and start over. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
Good. You understand why you're here?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Yo, you know, say a big, yo. I mean, nah, stop. Yo, everyone I video them, I say this. Everyone they bring this come my yard, bro, record it and everything. A problem, bro, a problem, dog. I tell you.
Yeah.
Because I wasn't attending school. And yeah,
You would speak up, please.
I was not attending.
Hear that man on our background, you would speak up.
And yeah,
You would speak up, please.
I was not attending school, and my old lady sent me here. My mommy sent me here.
Why wasn't you attending school?
Yeah, I'm making an idea.
Because
Hey. There's no time to be embarrassed now. You done here.
Yeah, man.
Good? This ain't no joke. This ain't no fun.
Yo,
So I'm
man,
saying, you understand where
you
you are? Where are you?
in the police station.
You understand what happens in the police station?
So
What happens in the police station?
okay,
Talk up.
you getting locked up or you going to jail.
You ain't getting locked up. You lock
I
up.
am
Yeah,
locked
man, you
up,
get
going
locked
to
up. Yo, if you want them bring this come my yard, bro, a problem down a John shop. May I tell you?
jail.
For what? What reason?
Because my mommy sent me. I ain't sure.
So you believe in your mommy?
No, sir.
So you don't think your mommy sent you here for a reason?
I just don't know why. Because either the doc in school or I believe the smoking part.
So you know why, bro? You ain't not like you don't know why. You know exactly why you here. Good. All right. Your mother told us some stuff, and I'm going to ask you about it. All right? I understand that your father died when you were 9 months, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What are you feeling about how that's going on?
Ain't no way to feel. I never see him. And then just, yeah,
So there's nowhere to feel.
I'm in the field.
So you have no feeling towards the death of your daddy because you don't know him.
No, sir.
All right. Another thing. You had somebody who stepped in place, who was like a father figure to you. What happened with that relationship?
Just
Talk up. Nobody can hear you.
my mother, she got married, you see.
Uh-huh.
And then them two being separate. It wasn't just. it
So
wasn't
your
right for
mother
me.
married this person.
She married somebody else.
She married somebody else. And when she married that person, the other person just decided to stay away.
Something like that.
Okay. What is the relationship like with your stepdaddy?
We don't speak.
Why?
Because,
See, man, I didn't want
I know. I was raised with manners, you see, so I tell him morning, afternoon, he still wouldn't speak to me.
Okay. You ever ask him why? What did he say?
He ain't answer me, keep on walking.
Keep on walking. You ever talk to your
no,
mommy?
no, if you do it all in me either.
Are you rebelling because, are you doing these things because of this relationship with your mommy's boyfriend or your mommy's husband?
No, sir.
So, Jules, if you're not doing this because of this relationship with your mommy's boyfriend, why are you doing this? What is leading you
Man is a
to
rebel.
smoking marijuana? You 14.
Man want to get high. What you mean by why man a bun? You don't know his style. The dog want to get frost.
You 14 years old.
They don't follow me.
You've already started smoking marijuana. So
Yeah, 14
tell me now.
crazy still.
We know that daddy died when you was 9 months and you don't know him. You didn't have a relationship with daddy. I understand that now mommy is married and there's no relationship with this stepfather.
Yes.
Why do you think the stepfather keep it away from you? Give me your personal opinion.
Why do I?
I can't hear you.
I don't even know. It's just he don't speak to me. Even though I try to speak to him, he still doesn't speak to me.
All right. So again, and it goes back to the point is to why are you smoking? You're not only smoking marijuana.
Man, want
right?
get frost. So much time I got to tell you, say, dog, go and get frost.
Your mommy didn't tell us you was ducking school. You ducking school, smoking marijuana, and you consuming Cuba Libre.
I don't drink. I stopped drinking.
So you calling your mommy a liar?
No, sir. I ain't trying to call my mommy a liar, but I ain't drink Cuba Libre since. Okay.
So you drink Cuba Libre, bro?
Yes, sir, but that was for a long time.
And I say, drink Cuba Libre, big bro. Yo. I don't really like the boys that put inside more while in about one thing with them, bro. I don't know. Then try fi even know if you explain it, dog. And try to communicate with you upon like them want to try reason with you. I know if I time buck up in a situation it points and they might try like they want to reason with me like me and them a friend. Like bro, I ain't no friend and I think you can set me up.
What sense I come up here?
The main point here is English language is the main factor here. You drink Cuba Libre. Whereas in the past
Yes, sir.
or in the future, the point of the fact of the matter is you was drinking it, hey? So my question goes back to why? Why are you resorting to this type of behavior? Why?
I was there in the moment and I had access to it and I was minding friends at the time, so I did.
So you're not a leader? Is that what you're telling me?
You see it here, you want to come and chat? I'll come and try reason. You see, yo, them boy, the reasoning things where them boy do, they not easy. Dog, I say, you tell me say I'm a leader, so your friend them might influence you. Or say your friend them can lead you. You see me, dog, they not easy, you know.
But I feel the peer pressure at the time.
No, leaders don't fear to no peer pressure, bro. Peer pressure should drive you to success. Wherever you go in life, you got people pressuring you to do things that you shouldn't do. That is like somebody telling you to go rob Grammy. You rob Grammy and then they send you to jail because of peer pressure. You can't tell the police, oh, peer pressure caused me to rob Grammy, right or wrong.
Right.
So you understand that you are wrong in everything that you do.
Yes, sir.
Why do it? Why not try to think of some more positive ways? Why not look at it and say, listen, my life is hard. It's rough. Why don't you distract yourself and get busy?
Yo, man, I need to influence some of them things at Jamaica, bro. Man, I stop say it, bro. And then video it so I can watch and react to it same way. And laugh.
With something else. How are you in school? Be honest with me. Don't lie because I can find out.
So
I was behind on my work too. I was trying to catch up all last week. Trying to.
All right, you trying to catch up. Guess what? You know what I believe,
Jules?
And I got to figure out a professional way to say this without getting myself in trouble. I believe you looking at me with the thing with the long ass. Right? Because you telling me everything you think I want to hear. I don't want to hear those things, you know. I want to hear the truth. What is the truth about Jules? Jules is smoking marijuana. Jules smoking dope. Jules drinking alcohol. Jules hanging with people that cause them to come for peer pressure. Right? I don't believe, Jules, for 1 second, that you're not a part of a gang. I don't believe that.
Here, them man, all I say, dog, like, you see it, me tell them police why I know, dog. Them act like your friend. Then they start sinking and be things. You soon hear man tell man say, oh, him a run all a cartel organization, him go there all a ship out drugs. Bro, that ain't not easy, you know, that. Man, them feel easy themselves, you know, brother. Like I say, yo, him feel like him a part and then him do his thing with his hand on the decks. Watch his hand on the decks. Like him a try say, him have all like documents out.
No, I don't believe that. Because you're known by the company that you keep. Do you hang in school with smart people?
I don't hang around school with nobody. Most of the time when I'm in school, if I am by myself, like I say, I used to be in some of my teacher's class, catching up on some of the work that I missed. Or if I'm there, I'm most likely with a girl on lunch or break time.
Okay, so Jules.
If I got chill with girl, man, chill, you know, you boy man in a gang, you man run in a gang, you man be a girl that I got chill with it. Think man, I don't know, think I try clone out the man thing. Say that look like a Nigeri. A big grabber like Bob this. Yo, fuck.
What is your plans for the future?
Plans for the future. When I finish come out here, on the weekends or so, finish, get back to this car wash job, graduate, get my BJCs, especially the art one, finish school, open up my own tattoo shop.
Getting your BJC. I like the sound of that. Because now we're talking.
Wait there. Oh, yeah, say you like it's one of that, but your body expression I say no. Yeah, say no with your body, but yeah, say yes.
Getting your BJC.
Look for anybody.
I like
no.
the sound of that.
No, that I say.
Because now we're talking education.
What the fuck?
Right? You get your BJC. Jules, you 14. You got a lot of time.
Yeah, there was just something just a while ago. Camera jump off.
To be a man, bro. You got a lot of time to be a man. Let what happened to your father be a building block for you, and what you see going on in your life, think in yourself, encourage yourself. Bro, I want this for me. Nobody can believe in Jules the way Jules can believe in himself. That? Get out my face now.
I said, get out my face. I'll be a badness, man. I use that as a biggest gang.
Believe in himself. That? Get out my face now.
I'm gonna get out my face. A badness. I say a badness, man, them I deal with, bro. Badness, dog, them I deal with, dog. You know, see? Dog say, get out my face.
Beginning Monday, September 16th. Trending. The Bahamas by the 11.
Man, I need one of them things out there.
Tobacco.
Yo, the police are not easy, you know. They don't say, go back.
Tobacco. You gotta do something before you come in here, bro. Did you speak when you come in here?
Yes, sir.
What did you say?
Good morning.
You sure?
Yes, sir.
That's why I hear you.
You was talking?
Yo, dog, I always think when you're there in front of the police, you know, dog, they move like your parent, your fuck, bro. They move like your father. Bro, we just not like that encounter the dog when you sit down in front of them and them a chat to you, dog. That shit just,
Fantel, right?
Yes, sir.
You know why you're here?
Yes, sir.
Don't shake your hand at me. When you shake your hand at me,
I said, no shit, but tell you, they move like your parent, your fuck, bro. They move like they we beat you, brother. Me understand, say you have to respect the police, you know. I go there, that's why them burn energy. You see why them burn energy? Because them want this respect thing, bro. So when they say move with your speed a gun, the beast a come, we lick down police a ground. They don't like that. They don't like that at all, bro.
why you're here?
Yes, sir.
Don't shake your hand at me. When you shake your hand at me, I just get very angry and frustrated.
That's a shake your head at me, get very angry and frustrated, bro. Me I tell you so them man, they move like robots and like you have to, like discipline and them thing there that them car. Remember so when you go through the training and them thing there, you know, dog. All this man there so go so. The reason why him a move so when him did go through the training and them thing there, so the bigger heads them did a deal with him. So him go through a disciplinary thing. So it end up say it just play off, but you know how him behave and thing. But I see him we are still, I don't know police and still already, brother. Boy, going like them good, but some of them are bad man, you know, really, you know. I don't even know if you explain it, bro, but when I say this man still in but just I say, you know them way there.
So they just pick you up for no reason. Nobody tell you why you're here.
Not yet, sir.
Do you know what this is you're here for?
Yes, sir.
What is this?
Shock treatment, sir.
You watch shock treatment on TV?
Yes, sir.
You've never seen shock treatment.
I see it before, sir, but I don't watch it, sir.
So you know what the shock treatment program is for, what it's supposed to do?
Yes, sir.
What it's supposed to do?
Change you the way you before, the way you come in, and you leave different.
All right. So
Sorry,
you believe
yeah.
that this program will give you some help that you need?
We can find out, sir.
I understand you're a WWF champion. You like to fight. Your mommy tell me say you believe you was John Cena.
Dog, but I really say John Cena. What you dog face? What you boy John Cena? You know, polo tees.
Or The Rock. Why you getting problems in fighting?
Because they keep trying to fight me. I mean, I ain't getting problems at my new school, but
What school you came from?
TA,
Why they just trying to fight you in TA?
girls.
Yes. What you dog like you wink for the camera? That boy I think he's slick, you know. What you boy my wink?
Why they just trying to fight you in TA?
What you boy my wink? Yes. Me catch that one them dog. Big up yourself. Ba.
Why they
Big
just
up
trying to fight you in
yourself,
TA?
bro.
Girls.
Big up yourself. Ba. Wicked man.
Me.
So you a girl some sugar. You take a fella girl or nigga take your girl. Which one?
He's a girl them sugar.
I was new to the school, so when you new, everybody just come, you know.
Alright, so you just reached the TA.
Yeah.
So they decided to pick on you, the TA.
Like I new to the school, so I can talk to the girls.
Mm-hmm.
And the stay boyfriend, so they get mad. And if I fight one, and say I win, when they come back, everybody will fight me.
Okay. So you meet this girl that you was attracted to. You started to talk to her, but she had a boyfriend. So the boyfriend tried to fight you for the girl.
Yeah.
Wait, why them are going on so much details, bro? At this minute in police, they all going on your phone. Brother, them man want to know too much about man life, brother. Who fuck you no be? You feel like you know God? No disrespect to the police still, you know. I just some stay, dog. I just some stay probably young. Just I like people. You see me? Authority. Me just from a little boy, I have a problem with the authority, brother. Disrespect, bro. I just some stay.
And so you and him scruffle one-on-one, and you say you beat him. So how many boys gang you?
Yeah.
They just gang you. What else they do?
Does it?
Another thing, so important. Well, first of all, I need to tell you this. You know, fighting in the public place is an offense, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. When you decide to fight, the police charge everybody who fight. And like how you say you win, if that boy that had injury is who you win with, then you usually get charged with fighting and assault. And you see how your life changing all of a sudden. Guess what else I was told? They tell me you was a klepto.
Huh?
Klepto.
That
Your hands sticky.
is.
So I gotta call you sticky fingers.
What you saying, clap
I mean-
too? You see it here, all them style, I say dog clap. You see it, a young people style, him a using a boy dog clap things. You know what that mean? Mean say dog grab things, grab bag. Boy dog clap things. What kind of ring this man have on? Illuminati, you know?
You like the teeth. That's what's here. I was told you can't leave nothing down because if they leave it down, it's gone. That's what a klepto is. A klepto is you can't trust this person around nothing.
Clap too,
That's what they tell me. So what you saying? That's not so?
clap too.
Yeah.
First
You saying that's
man,
not so? You not a thief?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. They tell me you like the
Dog, that's
fight,
the way I talk.
you like the steal, you like the cuss. Your mouth dirty.
Yo, that I thing in a dog. You see when you go in front of them thing, at them time they are here what people are say about you. People are say this, this, that. Yeah, I say, bro, what we not talk about, brother? I don't even know what we not talk about. You see me? We spot that, bro. Enough of them thing I go your life. Well, that look like a thief still. Look at my face. Like a crook in a youth.
So you don't cuss.
Yes, sir.
Why use cuss? You think cursing makes you intelligent, sounds intelligent
Me buying
or
cuss.
hard?
Answer.
Huh?
Answer.
So what using bad words mean?
Oh, when cuss bad word. Brother, so we don't have a problem if a man cuss bad word. Let's say man have a problem with
Red Bull gives
everything,
you
you know. You
wings.
can't have a cuss bad word again, brother.
498,
Games all time, man.
499,
Slap a pregnant.
500.
Let's go heavy. Looking strong, Nick.
The only problem I see they have with you is you like the teeth, you like the curse, and you like the fight. So guess what you is? You was a a bad word talking, bad fighting, thieving individual. You like to fight, you like to curse, you like to thief. 3 characteristics, that's not good for you as a young man. Right?
Yeah.
When you fight, you get locked up. When you thief, you get locked up. And in my presence or the officer presence, if you curse in our presence, you get locked up. Everything before me are criminal offenses where you can get locked up and charged. you have a relationship with your daddy?
Yes, sir.
How often you sang with your daddy?
I used to live with him, but they called me. They just called me like 2 months ago.
Okay, you used to live with your daddy, right?
Yeah.
So tell me something.
Yeah.
Why your daddy decide to send you back to your mommy?
Because he moved.
He moved where?
Fox, sir.
Okay, so why when he moved, why he carry you when he moved?
Because I need videos. You know, I was a sinner, so he built 4 room.
You build a 4-room house.
Yeah.
All right. So him building a 4-room house, why he ain't carry you? Don't shove your shoulders.
I want to know that.
You ever asked him that?
No, sir.
All right. So based on what it said, when you had to fight, you had to curse, and you had to do all of this. As a
Had to
father,
curse.
would you condone this type of behavior?
No,
Huh?
no, sir.
So you think it's right for your daddy to encourage you in this?
No, sir.
I think what your mother probably might need to do is to send you back to Auckland's so you wouldn't be exposed to what's happening in the Providence. Because the Providence is ruining you. You're not made for the New Providence. And what that means is, it simply means that listen, you get the one-on-one attention that I think you need. Plus, you could be a millionaire because guess what? You can go fishing every day, sell fish, and then you make more money than me. That makes sense?
No, sir.
Could you swim?
No, sir.
Could you fish?
No,
Mr. Clapto, we'll see you later, okay?
Mr. Clapto. So I call him on thief again. Boy, I know easy, you know, police boy, I know. Rate him still. I call him on Clapto again.
Clint Watson has been the trusted voice of journalism. The
Sit down.
Wonder how am I going to say to this one?
What you look at my face for? You boy. You are a boy. Okay, so I done see some signs that really confirming everything in front of me.
That's say see some signs so I confirm everything in front time. Say dog a wicked one, look at you. Say dog yeah chop up, yeah bro chop up. What you see funny thing feel say dog?
You 12.
Dog
You
a
12 years old. You done been suspended 4 times. Why? Let me hear this.
Fighting and causing fight.
A bad boy.
Oh, you was the instigator. You was the one who was the rock hard or cold. The rock, that's you. Right? You was holding the rock. The rock hard or cold. Or you use the alarm when you go encourage fellas to fight, then call you all boys to fight them. Because guess what? I done seen some things that I get ready to really lock you up for.
You're not gonna lock him up. You're not gonna lock him up already. Yo, this is easy.
I think we really need to profile you and put your name in our system. Because what I seeing don't make no sense. Because based on what I seeing,
Yo.
I see one name I ain't gonna call to get you in trouble. But I think I need to make sure they take a picture of you and profile you so when something happened in T.A. Thompson, we know who to pick up. Because you start fight. Use the raw heart, that's you.
Yo.
What you do to Grammy had to send you back to your mommy.
Because I gonna take the money with the person buy something.
So use a thief. This is not a klepto.
Yo. We hit the police boy, I know. It boy not easy, you know.
This is not a klepto. Use klepto number 2. Grammy who working so guess what? I hate people who steal from the Grammy, you know. What make you go on and Grammy buy and thief for money? Who tell you to do that? Mm-hmm. The voices in your head tell you to do that?
You know, every voices in my head tell him to do that. Yo, this one a real fucking one, you know.
So you just decided, hey, Grammy don't need this money. That girl gonna take it. Huh? I can't hear you.
So,
What you do with Grammy money?
I gonna buy something.
What you buy?
Something to drink.
So you thief, how much money you thief?
$5.
Oh, where the $4 change?
Yes. But I start buying ice cream and stuff after that.
Oh, so use a patty clapto, use a junior clapto. So you move $5 out of Grammy purse. That's the only thing you do to Grammy?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Grammy run you because I believe you. I can't believe you. I can't believe Grammy run you because you thief $5. I believe that.
So you can't believe you have $5 make Grammy run him.
You must thief more than $5 from Grammy.
I don't even want $5.
Well, how much they say you thief?
You can't remember, that's a long time ago.
So they tell you you thief more than $5. But I believe you thief but $50. In my spirit, I think you thief $50. You thief $50.
This one so be like that.
Also the Grammy bag. That's Grammy NIB money, a pension money you thief. Grammy done work all her life, and you little brat thiefing $50 on a purse. Somebody going to buy ice cream and soda. You think that makes sense? How you feel by thief $5 out of your pocket?
Bad.
Huh?
Bad.
So why you do it?
I don't know.
But guess what? You so flippin' scared, I can see fear all over you. You not sell playing hard with the rest of them boys? Don't cry around here. Your crocodile tears ain't moving me. I see big grown man trying to cry to swing me. You can't swing me. But you 12 years old. You done committing a minor offense, stealing. Grammy should have locked you up. Nah, so...
Yo, Grammy lock him up. Dog, no easy, you know, yo. Dog, he's a wicked man still, you know. Yeah, bro, chop up and thing. 12-year-old. This one I'll go out be a
move you from house, send you to mommy house. So use a beast in mommy house. Use the Hulk. Your mommy call you a monster. I mean, you thieving from them, you threatening them, you doing all kind of crap to your mommy them. Right?
You never tried my old lady.
So why she call you a monster? Huh?
So dog is a monster.
So what you doing mommy house?
Yo.
Mother.
You was the oldest child or the youngest child?
The oldest.
So you have little brothers and sisters coming up after you?
Only little brothers.
Alright, you have little brothers you have after you?
3.
What type of example do you set for your little brothers?
A bad one.
Yeah, you know that's why you do
Say
it.
a bad one.
What make you join these gangs? You in one gang. You in 2 gang. Not one. You in 2 gang. I have somebody on you using 1, but you in 2.
You dog in a 2 gang.
What the hell are you thinking? What's in your mind?
Mother.
You in grade 7 or 8?
8.
And I bet you your grade point average is 0.07.
Yeah, Jaja. Man, I this up your youth, sir. Tap this up your man. Fuck yeah, this up your dog, sir.
Mainly meaning you're the class clown, right?
Jaja.
Or you're the big boss on campus, right?
Big boss.
Huh?
So,
Yeah, police one.
So you and the boss. You don't run the gang you in school. You dress as the lackey. So use the follower. So you think that makes sense?
so.
And then, based on what my information is, you think nobody should interfere with what you're doing. You think nobody should say nothing to you but the crap that you're doing.
Jaja.
But Rayshawn, you're a menace to society. And for us to save you from yourself and from society, we gotta make sure you get an institution. Because you're not looking at the error of your ways. You are a thief.
Jaja.
And then you trying to assault innocent people, children. Because you want to be a follower. Sit up and look at me straight. Change your
Dog frightened. Dog
Follow
frightened.
Sit up and look at me straight. Change your life, yeah?
So,
Because the road that you're headed is going to take you straight to destruction. This life ain't for you. Don't listen to what them other people saying, because when Ray Sean in trouble, they ain't around. You do something, or throw a rock at somebody, and that hit somebody in the head, and they faint and die, Ray Sean going to jail. You go to boys industrial till you reach 17 and a half. When you reach 17 and a half, you're going to jail. Tell your friends, take it out of their mind. You stab anybody, child, they're going to jail. The law is not playing with you all miscreants anymore.
I'm not joking.
Change your life. Your birthday in a couple of days can make you 13. Let this be the year or the birthday where you change. This is what I'm going to do. My note is, I'm going to make sure you be profiled and put in our gang register so we'll know who's a part of these gangs in T.A. Thompson. So when anything happens in the school, we know exactly where to go and where to go to. So I'm saying, how would you feel when your fellow gang members know you in two gangs? You ride in one and ride the other. How you think they'll feel?
You gonna beat me up?
Yeah, because you ain't got no loyalty. You're not loyal to anybody.
Tell him a gang and be a gang.
Who's take care of you?
My mommy, my granny, my auntie.
All right, so they taking care of you. You don't think you owe them to go to school, get your education, to be successful?
Yes, sir.
You still got time to change your life, you know. Goodbye.
Yo, my side, if you read so far, like, subscribe, and know all the good stuff. Big up on yourself. More video come. I gotta do part 3 for this. Man, I'll stop till me done.
Covering the news seems easy, but we put thought into what we're doing. The Bahamas Tonight at News.
Gentleman there, you see how big and tall he is? You see how big and tall he is? Take you out of your pocket, buddy. I ain't nothing like your friends. I's a different breed. Good? Answer me.
Yes, sir.
Don't do this. You're being disrespectful. You see that gentleman there? You see how big and tall he is? You see how big and tall he is, right?
Yes, sir.
You got one opportunity to talk to me, eh? If you don't talk, I put you back in the cell and you stay in the cell. Good?
Yes, sir.
I know what's happening with you, but I want you to tell me what's happening. What's going on with you?
I ain't listening.
You sure as that? Huh?
That's what I think
You
it
gotta
is.
speak up, Manja, like I hear you.
I say that's what I think it is.
And then mommy tell you she don't want you to smoke vape no more.
Oh, and this
Yes,
one,
sir.
you have a vape in your underpants. You don't love vape, your fuck.
So why you got it at home? Why you still have it?
I don't know.
So why smoke it if you don't know? What you get from a vape?
Nothing.
So why do it? I use it. Huh?
I know.
You see how you talking to me, right?
Brother, when you 10 people say they don't know, brother, if you do something, brother, no. They committed with full force. But I don't know. Like, bro, the fuck tell the man say about vape car, it make you feel nice.
I have a son your age. And if it wasn't for professionalism, I would have come across this corner and knock you the hell out. Talk to me
Yo.
for professionalism. I would have come across this corner and knock you the hell out. Talk to me like a man. Stop talking like a little pure. Talk like a man.
Yeah, man.
When you're on the streets, you always be louder than everybody else. When the police car pass, you always be cursing and carrying on. Talk to me like that. I don't want you talking to me because everything I'm asking you, I already got it here. I ain't asking you nothing I don't know. I'm asking you what I have here. So what sense it makes smoking the vape?
I don't know.
So why do it? Why do something you don't know why you're doing it? That makes sense to you?
No, sir.
Why do it then? Now guess what? You ain't BSing me with all this no stuff. What happened to your grades? You in grade what? 8?
9.
In grade 9.
Yes, sir.
What's going on with your grades?
You nothing.
Part of the interview with John Mummy, I'd already see where she says you are disrespectful for authority, right? And when you try that with me, try it with me. Be disrespectful to me. See how y'all downstairs playing and carry on? Y'all know something called disorderly behavior in the police station? You know that's an offense, right?
No, sir.
Well, now you know. So stop taking this for a joke and get serious. You know what a man is?
Then don't
A man is somebody who takes responsibility. Somebody who have to pay bills. Somebody who lives on his own. You cannot be disrespectful to your parents or your mother and expect to sell in the house. All you gotta do is go to school, to learn, and to use the toilet. That's it. Nobody asking nothing from you. Stop hanging with people who don't mean you no good. Being a disrespectful child is not going to get you nowhere. Nobody helps disrespectful children. In fact, people don't like, even Montel, if you don't be a business owner and have your own business, right? Even as a business owner, if you be rude and disrespectful to your employees, they will leave you and your company will make no money. Good?
So,
You have a relationship with your daddy?
yes, sir.
You hang with your daddy.
Yes, sir.
So you be rude to your daddy, do that.
Yes, sir.
But you sure your daddy is be around you? When last you see your daddy?
My sister wedding.
Huh?
My sister wedding.
When that was?
March 2nd.
Have you seen him since?
No, sir.
How that make you feel?
I feel no type of way.
It ain't making you feel no type of way?
No, sir.
So you just really don't care?
Me and that.
What it is?
It's nothing.
So you just don't care about your daddy then?
I ain't say that.
So why don't make you don't feel type of way that he's not around?
Me and that keep me in gone for a long, long time.
Alright, when last you smoke, Montel?
Yeah, my side. So, the video soon done. So, like, share, subscribe, all of that good shit. I react to part 3. I keep the video them coming. Pop, 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 pop.